Hey guys, I'm Ben J. We're going to do Demolition Derby. It might sound kind of stupid. We're doing it in our yard, but it'll be fun. I'm pushing the green machine, so get ready.
Hey, Demolition Derby fans. This is Demolition Derby Dave, coming at you live from Demolition Derby headquarters. Today we're going to have a great demolition race. Here we go. Today we have Ben and Blake on the green machine. Woo. Yeah! How do you feel about your race today, Ben?
I think it's not a race, but it's a Demolition Derby.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Whatever your name is, sorry.
Be cringe.
Derby Danny.
Derby Dave.
Derby Dave, sorry. I feel pretty confident. He's a pretty good driver. I can run pretty fast, so we're going to push each other. This is broken, so is theirs, so there's no... So I think we're pretty confident, and yeah.
How do you feel about today?
I feel great. We're just going to go out there, take some chances, and dominate.
Well, that's great. Glad to hear about it.
And now you got to go introduce them.
I know my job. And today we have Adam and Tyler on the Tudor scooter. How do you feel about today, Tyler?
I think we are going to do good, and I think we're going to have fun. Yeah. And I have a feeling, I'm pretty confident.
This is not about fun. It's about
Get the heck out of here! Get security! Get security! This is not your interview!
It's about
Get security! You're out of here!
Stop the video. Restart. We can't.
What do you feel about today,
I
Adam,
feel
after that
confident.
incident?
I have a feeling we're going to have fun, and we're going to wreck them.
Okay, nice. That's going to be good.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll show them to the scooter.
After the commercials, we'll see you right back when the Demolition Derby starts. This is Demolition Derby Dave coming at you live from Demolition Derby headquarters. Now today you can get your free party entertainers at Dave and Buster's. Only not the Dave and Buster's restaurant, just Dave's store. Yeah. The dancing motor. Hey Demolition Derby fans, this is Demolition Derby Dave coming at you live from Demolition Derby headquarters. We are about to start the race in 3, 2, 1, Demolition! It looks like we have them doing circles. Oh! That's a big hit! That's why it's called Demolition Derby. For all you haters out there. Ooh! It looks like that might be a blow. That might be out of the race right now. Nobody's coming.
classic move. Let's go. That way.
Wow, just jukum sukum. You guys just got jukum sukum. Oh, with the big hit. You guys got rock'em sock'em. No, we're still going. We're still going. Oh, you think? Oh my gosh. They're going in the grass. Is this against the raw, Jim?
Well, actually, this is just what the racers want. So, you're actually doing pretty good.
Thank you, man. You're doing so awesome right now. Welcome. Oh, something's wrong with your tire. Ben's tired. Are you getting lazy out there, man? Get up. Help your teammate. He can't go. Jim, is this legal?
Well, actually, if the pusher is tired, he actually has regulations to actually fall down on the ground and act like a stupid baby. So,
well, that explains it. Thank you, Jim. Oh, we gotta see what happened here. What's happening? Oh, we were too late. Dang it. Oh no, upside down world. Oh! after those technical difficulties done by the Green Machine. And it looks like they're staying up right now. Hey, Jim, does that mean, like, if they actually wreck the right, does that mean that you're out?
Well, actually, it's not against regulations. And just start already. I'm tired of talking right now. Just go.
Thank you, Jim, for the awesome commentary. Whoa! 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 That's some real nice right there. Oh, they're coming in. Oh, no, I am with Ben. Oh, man, they're coming really hot. Oh, my God. What happened? Looks like your tires got stuck together. Holy crap. I can't believe that happened. Oh, they went into the grass. Yo, rock 'em, sock 'em, juke 'em, duke 'em, sook 'em, mook 'em. After some technical difficulties right now, Ben, you have not been playing so good right now.
We gotta step up our game. So
Yeah, I
let's
know.
go!
Oh my gosh, for all the ladies out there, this is your ladies man right here. On his date match, his name is Hufflepuff2187. Looking for Jim, is that legal?
Actually, it's not. Oh, no, injury.
Are you hurt?
Oh, my leg got
Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
Oh, look at my leg.
Let's have the doctor come. Get up and be a man. Get up and be a man.
Just FYI, guys, the doctor is Jim, and he's just a really smart man. Ben, come on, you guys step it up. Come on.
We need to take this off.
He's Demolition Dave here.
Okay, we can do this. Need to go to the pit stop. This video is gonna get really long. It's gonna be a long stretch of them losing.
He's fancy, he's single, and he's ready to mingle.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we are on a slight pause right now for some reason. We'll get back to you right after these messages.
Demolition Derby was brought to you by
Dave and Jim. Jim created all of this, but Dave took the credit for it. Thank you. And we're back from the messages. Yeah, it looks like these guys are hurt.
This tire has been mangled already. R.I.P. Rip tires. Let's go. We got this.
Blake is not available for any dating website because he already has a good.
This tire is back.
Guys, it looks like this could be the end. This could be the end. We're ending in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, if you like that video, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications and like most of my videos. And remember, or not remember, but put in the comment section who you think won.